Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. Today, I'm back with another short tutorial on how to easily log in and get access to your credit card account for Banana Republic. Keep watching the video till the end, and if you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser in the address box that pops up at the top. Type in bananarepublic.sif.com and press enter. You'll end up in a login area on the next page. Type in a user ID in the first text box. Make sure to type it in correct and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password as well. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link or the icon at the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials so that you won't have to type in your credential again and again next time you try to log into your credit card accounts, check this box where it says remember, use your ID, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer for your security. In case you don't remember, use your ID or your password and you don't know what to do next. You can click on this usual ID for your user ID, or you can also click on the password link if you want to reset your pathway to a new one. Finally, after you're done entering your credentials and you'd like to access to your credit card account, click the Secure Login button, and that is how you should be able to get access to your credit card account for Banana Republic. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us, as in be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.